Today I am reviewing the Lenovo gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a gaming laptop that strikes a smart balance between performance, portability, and everyday practicality, this Lenovo gaming laptop is a very strong contender. Built by Lenovo, a brand known worldwide for durability and thoughtful design, this machine focuses on real-world performance rather than flashy marketing, and that makes it appealing to a wide range of users, from gamers and students to creators and professionals. At the core of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, a powerful 6-core, 12-thread CPU capable of boosting up to 4.55 GHz. In day-to-day use, this processor feels fast, responsive, and reliable. Whether you're gaming, running multiple applications at once, editing videos, writing code, or handling productivity tasks, the system stays smooth and consistent. This is the kind of processor that doesn't just perform well today, but is also future-ready for the next several years of software demands. Supporting the processor is 16 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM, which plays a huge role in how fluid the laptop feels. Multitasking is effortless. You can keep many browser tabs open, run creative software, stream music or video in the background, and jump into a game without slowdowns. For students, professionals, and content creators, this amount of memory ensures stable performance even during demanding workloads. Graphics are handled by AMD Radeon 660M integrated graphics, and while this isn't a high-end dedicated gaming GPU, it performs impressively for its class. Esports titles and popular games such as Valorant, Fortnite, Rocket League, CS2, and League of Legends run smoothly at 1080p with the right settings. Beyond gaming, the Radeon 660M is more than capable for photo editing, light video editing, graphic design, and everyday creative tasks. This makes the laptop versatile enough for users who want both gaming and productivity in a single machine. The display is another highlight. The 15-inch 16GB IPS panel with a 1920 by 1200 resolution offers more vertical screen space than standard Full HD displays. This extra height is incredibly useful for productivity, allowing you to see more lines of code, larger timelines in editing software, or more content while browsing and writing. With 300 nits of brightness, the screen stays clear and vibrant even in well-lit environments, and the anti-glare coating helps reduce reflections during long sessions. Colors appear accurate, viewing angles are wide, and overall clarity makes it great for gaming, media consumption, and work alike. Storage is handled by a fast 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, which ensures quick boot times, fast application launches, and smooth game loading. Windows starts up in seconds, and large files transfer quickly, making the entire system feel responsive and efficient. For most users, 512 GB provides plenty of space for games, software, and personal files, and the SSD performance significantly improves the overall user experience. Design-wise, this laptop keeps things clean and professional. The Moonlight Grey finish gives a modern look that works just as well in a classroom or office as it does in a gaming setup. Despite its gaming capabilities, the laptop is slimmer than previous generations, making it easier to carry around in a backpack. Lenovo's focus on military-grade durability adds extra confidence for users who travel or commute frequently, and the overall build quality feels solid and dependable. Connectivity is excellent and well-suited for modern needs. With Wi-Fi 6, you get faster and more stable internet connections, especially in crowded networks, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures reliable pairing with wireless accessories. The port selection is generous, including USB-C with power delivery and display port support, HDMI for external displays, multiple USB-A ports, and an SD card reader. This makes it easy to connect monitors, storage devices, controllers, and peripherals without needing extra adapters. For communication and privacy, the laptop includes a 720p HD webcam that delivers clear video quality for online classes, meetings, and streaming. A physical privacy shutter adds an important layer of security, allowing you to block the camera when it's not in use. This is a small detail, but one that many users truly appreciate. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, which is optimized for productivity, creativity, and gaming. With Copilot AI PC features, users benefit from smarter assistance for multitasking, organization, and workflow efficiency. These AI-powered tools help streamline everyday tasks and make the system feel more intuitive over time. Overall, this Lenovo gaming laptop is an excellent choice for gamers who enjoy esports and mainstream titles, students who need a powerful system for learning and creative work, and professionals looking for a fast, reliable, and portable laptop. It delivers strong processing power, smooth multitasking, a sharp and bright display, fast storage, modern connectivity, and a durable design, all without unnecessary bulk or extreme pricing. If you're looking for a well-rounded gaming and productivity laptop that's built to last and ready for the future, this model is absolutely worth serious consideration.